Multiplication Year 6. In Year 6, children will continue to work on the elements that have been introduced in Year 5. For long multiplication, they will move on to hundreds, tens and units multiplied by tens and units. So a 3-digit number, for example 325, multiplied by a 2-digit number, so for example 33. The children can use the grid, extended or compact methods, which have been described in previous video clips, depending on how ready they are or how confident they feel with the different methods. So first of all, I'm going to multiply the 3 units by 325, and then the 3 tens, the 30 by 325. Again, with each starting with the least significant digit. So first of all, 3 multiplied by 5, 15. Then 3 multiplied by the 2 tens, which is 20, and that gives 60. Then the 3 units multiplied by the 3 hundredths, and that's 900. Again, I need to stress the importance of keeping the digits in the correct columns. I'm going to then move on to multiplying 325 by the 3 tens by 30. So again, starting with the least significant digit, I'm going to do 30 multiplied by 5, which is 150. And then 30 multiplied by the 2 tens, 20, which gives 600. And then finally 30 multiplied by the 3 hundredths, which gives 9,000. I then need to find the total, the final total, by adding up what's in the columns. So in the units we have 5, in the tens we have 12, so I need to carry the 1. In the hundreds we have 16 plus the 1 that I've carried gives us 17, so I leave the 7 in the hundreds and carry the 1. And then in the thousands we have 10,000, so that gives us an answer of 10,725. Multiplying decimals extends to decimals with 2 decimal places in Year 6, multiplied by a single digit. So for example, a decimal with 2 decimal places, 5.34, multiplied by a single digit 5. Okay, first of all I begin with the least significant digit here, which is the 4. So this time it is 5 multiplied by 0.04, because the 4 occurs 2 places after the decimal point, and that gives me 0.20. I then multiply the 5 by 0.3, because the 3 occurs 1 place after the decimal point, and that gives me an answer of 1.5. And I'm going to use a 0 as a placeholder to help me add up at the end. And then finally, I multiply 5 by the 5 units, and that gives me an answer of 25. So my 25 goes here, and again I'm going to use placeholders to help me add up carefully. Okay, so in this column we have 0, in this column we have 7, here we have 6, and in the tens we have 2. So we have a final answer of 26.70.